Are you in the market for a new tilt bucket for your mini excavator? If so, stick around. We're going to go over attached to single ram tilt bucket. Now, in this video, I want to go over all the features and benefits to show you how this will add versatility to your operating and ultimately give you greater return on investment and make your life a lot easier. Hey guys, Lachlan here from Attached To. Now, as I said, we're going to be going over our single ram tilt bucket here. So look, this is for the options of up to a 4-ton machine. So we want to show you how much has actually gone into this product. So let's go over the features and benefits and we'll see how good it is. So of course, our key feature with all our buckets, and we've made sure to keep this with this pivot point as well, is keeping it as squat as possible. So from pickup pin down to the cutting edge here, it is as compact as possible. The total tilt you'll receive from this as well is going to be 45 degrees. So giving you a lot of room to get your bucket into spaces you need it. So we've made sure that we've implemented an oversized cylinder for you here. So ultimately what you're going to see is improved tilting capabilities from the amount of pressure this will put out. We've also made sure it has a hardened induction chrome spur as well, so limiting the damage to that rod. Another brilliant feature is actually the ram placement. Now look, it probably doesn't look like a lot to the eye, but we have made sure it's not like your standard single ram tilt bucket that would probably meet the top of the bucket here. We have that gap just in case any material, trash, anything, rocks rolling over doesn't get stuck underneath that cylinder or even damaging that cylinder. Now look, this is really going to make sure that you have minimal downtime as possible. The hose routing is at the back of the cylinder here, and we have put some hose clamps there as well, just to keep it nice and tidy, out of the way, not getting struck by trash, rocks, debris, anything like that. Now, of course, again, throughout our whole bucket range, we are featuring our twin tapered sides. So that's from bottom to top and front to back. Now, up against buildings or tight spaces, you'll have clearer visibility, and in hard or sticky material, you'll experience less drag and of course less wear. So it is going to obviously give your attachment more life and longevity of that unit, and really just ultimately making those cycle times quick, getting that material in and out of the attachment. Now, of course, we're going to feature our double radius curve. So that is making sure that you're only cutting on that front edge and there's going to be no drag on the back of the bucket. So this works with the geometry of your dipper arm, and it follows the natural shape of the digging motion, ultimately speeding up each and every entry and exit of that material. On the side here, we have made sure that we add an S690 rated steel plating here. So it is a high wear area, of course, so we just wanted to make sure that it has that little bit of durability behind it, making sure that it doesn't wear down for you. We have added a cheek plate here for you, but look, you're not really going to run into that as much due to the fact that there's twin tapered sides. Here at Attached To, we back our customers and we want to give you the ultimate support. Therefore, every bucket from Attached To will be under our industry-leading 3-year warranty. So that's 3 years on all material and manufacturing defects, as well as 12 months on hydraulic components. So the price of this unit is over $3,500. Of course, bear in mind, this depends if you're doing any modifications, any added extras, anything like that, but look, that is the base price for you, just over that. We know for you as an earth moving professional, you need attachments that's going to give you the greatest return on your investment. Now here at Attached To, we have made sure to design and supply only the top tier quality of buckets, grabs and hitches. So if you're in the market for any more attachments, be sure, give us a call, send us an email, and we will help you find your next performance package. With quality service and reliable backup support, you can count on Attached To be your true single source attachment supplier.